Good morning to everyone and most respected secretary sir and all the cast and crews of our college. Today I am going to start a new and interesting topic, and that is bipolar disorders. As you know guys, bipolar disorders consist of two things. One is bi and another one is polar. It means bi means two and polar means two pole. So the first pole contain depression and another pole contain mania. So in the case of bipolar, what will be happen? Let's come to the book. Bipolar disorder is a cycling mood disorder characterized by extreme shift in mood, energy and functioning. In the case of bipolar disorder, the mood will be extreme and energy will be high or low. It might be fluctuate and functioning. So lastly, I told you that the mania and depression. So let's discuss about the mania or the manic episode. Mania means it's also a state of mind. In the case of mania, excitedness, then hyperactivity, then euphoricness. Euphoricness means feeling more and more happy without any reason. That is known as euphoria, euphoricness. Then over talkativity, talking and talking, more talking. It means over talkativity. Then less sleeping. But it is a matter of concern that if a person will take only 2 hours, if a person will take sleep only 2 hours, but that person seems more and more active in the case of mania. Then feeling more and more self-esteemness, more superior than other. Okay, so let me describe in Oria. Mania episode रे कहाँ सी बहुत excitement थी सी, बिना reason रे बहुत खुश लग सी, हाइपर एक्टिविटीज थी सी, माने तो अଯଥାଟା के तार माने केनो गुटे कोटी टका इन्वेस्ट कर दबाटा बिना रीजन रे. तापरे हला बेसी टॉकेटिव थिसन, कथा बहुत बाहरसी मुहुरु आ संकन मजाकिया कथा हला दिन को 2 घंटा सुइले भी संकर चेहराटा एक्टिव थिसन. दिस इज नोन एज manic episode or mania. So let's come to the book. Manic episodes are characterized by high mood, high self-esteem, increased activity, energy, and poor functioning. Energy level is higher. Energy level higher is in case of mania. So next, the second one is depression. Depression is just opposite of mania. It means in case of depression, the energy level becomes lower. Then feeling fatigue, दुर्बल लगबाटा, अलसुआ लगबाटा. Then the next episode is mixed episode. In the case of mixed episode, what will be happen? The mania will become, then the depression will become. Then the person seems normal, then the depression will become, then the mania will become. Depression होतुबा normal होतुबे mania होतुबा. Depression होतुबा normal होतुबा mania होतुबा. That stage is known as mixed episode. So mixed episode is characterized by episode of display factor of the both mania and depression. In the case of mixed episode, what will be happen? Mania and depression will be continue. Then the next one is hypomanic episode. Hypomanic episode are characterized by low grade high in mood, typical without lapse and judgment common in full manic episode. Then cyclothymia. Cyclothymia is crying, cycling between hypomania and low mood in do not meet the criteria for major depressive disorder. In the case of hypothermia, it is the cycle between hypomania. Listen carefully. Hypomania ଆଉ जे depressive episode at a time hela, then that is known as cyclothymic episode. Then catatonic episode, catatonic catatonic episode, it is a rare and severe form of major depression. Catatonic episode is a rare and severe form of depression. So we have discussed the first thing, bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder, it's contain two poles, जुड़े pole contain करते. First one is depression, another one is mania. Depression और mania के मिश्रण लेकर है कोई ऐसी bipolar disorder बोल के जी. In case of depression, what will happen? Energy becomes less, activities become less, fatigueness becomes more and more. That is all described in the book. You can see. And in the case of mania, what will happen? Excitedness. Then the euphoria. As I told you, what do you mean by euphoria? Euphoria means excessive happiness without any reason. बिना reason का कितनी के खुश होता है यूफोरिया बोली कह जासी हाइपर एक्टिविटी ओवर ओवर टॉकेटिवनेस बहुत कथा कहबाटा लेस स्लीपनेस but the patient seems very good and active. Instead, that patient have taken only 2 hour rest in their life. So this all about the bipolar disorder and the treatment. It contain medical treatment, and it's a matter of concern that though bipolar disorder have two disease, one is depression and another is mania. So the doctor should know all the history of the patient. After all, the clinical or medical treatment can be appears. And hope you can able to understand what I told you. And you have any doubts, then you can call me in any moment, and I am ready to clear your doubt. Thank you.